You may or may not know who we are, so we thought we would take a few moments to let you know just who is IntegraFlex. We are not your typical third-party administrator when it comes to COBRA, FSA, HRA, and HSA administration. We also offer consolidated billing, actuarial, and compliance services. More importantly, we offer education and resources, not only to you when you partner with IntegraFlex, but we offer a comprehensive online resource that has been designed with the unique business needs in mind of the clientele we serve. When working with IntegraFlex, you will discover a host of tools, services, and resources that will help you to collaborate, minimize risk, promote wellness, prevent loss, and stay in compliance. It is just one of the many innovative ways IntegraFlex supports your business. Give us a call at 208-287-0310. We'd love to chat with you.